The Magical Sessions, a colorful adventure in Imagination Land. Once upon a time in Imagination Land, where dreams and creativity knew no bounds, lived a group of friends named Red, Orange, Yellow, Green, Blue, Indigo, and Violet. Each friend represented a different color of the rainbow, and together they embarked on magical sessions that brought joy, laughter, and wonder to their vibrant world. The friends gathered in the colorful meadow, a magical clearing where the grass sparkled with hues of every shade imaginable. In the center of the meadow stood the colorful pavilion, a place where the friends would come together for their enchanting sessions. One sunny day, Red, the leader of the group with his fiery spirit, suggested a new and exciting idea for their next session. "How about we explore the dream canvas?" he exclaimed, his enthusiasm igniting a spark in the eyes of his colorful companions. The dream canvas was a magical realm where colors transformed into living paintings and imagination flowed like a river of creativity. The friends eagerly agreed to Red's suggestion and, with a wave of their hands, opened a portal to the dream canvas. As they stepped into the swirling vortex of colors, the friends found themselves in a kaleidoscopic world where every brush stroke of imagination came to life. The air was filled with the sweet scent of inspiration, and the landscape shifted with the whims of their collective creativity. Their first adventure in the dream canvas involved painting the skies with flying elephants and rivers that flowed with chocolate milk. Yellow, the sunny and cheerful friend, added sunflowers that sang melodies when touched by the gentle breeze. Green, with his love for nature, crafted towering trees that whispered secrets to those who listened. Blue, the calm and serene friend, painted oceans that sparkled with the reflections of stars, while Indigo, the dreamy companion, created magical doorways leading to hidden realms of mystery. Violet, with her regal demeanor, added majestic castles that touched the clouds, and Orange, the playful friend, painted a carousel of laughter that spun with joy. Their collaboration in the dream canvas brought forth a masterpiece of colors and imagination. As the friends admired their creation, Red suggested, "Why don't we bring some of the magic back to Imagination Land and share it with our friends?" Excited by the idea, the friends gathered up a few enchanted paintbrushes and returned to the colorful meadow. With each stroke of their brushes, they brought a piece of the dream canvas to life in Imagination Land. Emboldened by their success, the friends decided to explore new realms within Imagination Land. They ventured into the whimsical woods, a mysterious forest where every tree held a secret. As they walked through the dappled sunlight, Red suggested, "Let's have a color hunt. Each of us can find an object that represents our color, and we'll create a story around it." The friends dispersed into the woods, and soon, the meadow was filled with a delightful array of discoveries. Orange found a playful butterfly with wings that glittered like the setting sun, while Blue stumbled upon a shimmering pond where dragonflies danced above the water. Violet discovered a regal peacock whose feathers displayed a tapestry of royal colors, and Green befriended a wise old owl whose eyes sparkled with the emerald shades of the forest. Indigo, with a mischievous glint in his eyes, found a mysterious cave adorned with hidden treasures, and Yellow encountered a field of sunflowers that turned to face the sun as it moved across the sky. The friends gathered in the colorful pavilion, and one by one, they shared their discoveries. As they spoke, the objects began to weave themselves into a tapestry of tales, a grand adventure where the butterfly guided the peacock through the enchanted woods. The dragonflies carried messages between the sunflowers and the wise owl, and the mysterious cave revealed secrets that illuminated the world with indigo hues. Their color hunt had not only created a beautiful story, but it also united the diverse elements of Imagination Land into a harmonious symphony of colors and tales. Eager to continue their exploration, the friends decided to visit the Luminous Lake, a mystical body of water where every ripple held a reflection of one's inner dreams. As they approached the shores, Red proposed, "Let's each share a wish, and then let the lake's magic reveal how our wishes intertwine." With anticipation, the friends gathered around the luminous lake. Red wished for a world filled with courage and passion. Orange longed for laughter that echoed through the valleys. Yellow wished for eternal sunshine and warmth. And green yearned for a thriving and lush landscape. Blue wished for tranquility and serenity. Indigo hoped for dreams that sparkled like stardust. And Violet wished for a kingdom where kindness and compassion reigned supreme. As each friend shared their wish, the lake responded with mesmerizing patterns of light that danced upon its surface. The wishes interwove into a tapestry of unity, creating a reflection that encapsulated the shared dreams of the friends. It was a vision of a world where courage and passion led to laughter, where sunshine and warmth nurtured a thriving landscape, and where tranquility and dreams flourished in a kingdom of kindness and compassion. Inspired by the vision, the friends realized that their wishes were interconnected, and the luminous lake had revealed a glimpse of the harmony that could be achieved through their shared dreams. The friends continued their magical sessions, exploring new realms, creating enchanting tales, and sharing their dreams with the vibrant world of Imagination Land. Each session brought them closer together, and their friendship blossomed like a kaleidoscope of colors. As they gathered in the colorful pavilion to celebrate their journey, Red spoke with gratitude. "Our sessions have not only filled Imagination Land with magic, but have also strengthened our bond as friends. Let's continue to explore, create, and dream together, for the magic of our sessions knows no limits." And so, the friends of Imagination Land continued their colorful adventures, knowing that with every stroke of their imagination, they were painting a world where friendship, creativity, and dreams intertwined in a tapestry of wonder and joy. In the heart of the colorful meadow, where laughter echoed and dreams took flight, the friends reveled in the magic of their sessions, creating an ever-expanding universe of enchantment and endless possibilities.